What up, guys? Got a package in the mail today. Oops. I'm doing a quick unboxing video. So let's get to it. There we go. Okay. The first thing we got is a mask. My new mask. Whew. My grills. Traded my events for these. I didn't really like the vents that much. Didn't have much flexibility. Couple scratches on the lens. This is awesome. And the second thing I got, pretty cool, is this jersey. Wow. It's Fem's Fatal jersey. I got it. I traded my Velocity for it. It's got padding all over the place for the C6. It's nice padding on the shoulders. Wow, it's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do a shooting video also, and I got one more thing coming. And when I get that, I'll do another unboxing video and shooting video with it because it's loaded. So yep, my Velocity's gone, and so is my torque. So do some more videos later. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.